Hey guys, we are aboard the Celebrity Infinity cruise ship, and today we are in Greece and we're going to explore the wonderful city of Rhodes.
It is absolutely beautiful.
Get a little taste of Greece.
We've really enjoyed taking the city tours on the buses
Hop on, hop off.
as many times as you want during the day. And they give you a great map. They stop at some beautiful places so you have some opportunities to take some photographs, and tells you a little bit about this. And if you get on the tour, they'll actually give you earphones in many different languages so that you can go ahead and listen to all the information. It's just absolutely exquisite. This beautiful piece of ooh, it feels like it's almost I don't know, beautiful though.
Hey honey.
Hi everybody. I just wanted to put my 2 cents in. What an amazing port, Rhodes. Don't miss it. And I actually think we could spend a couple of days here just looking at all the incredible structures.
This really is a great way to get around. Our cruise ship is miles away, and this only costed 20 euros a piece to get on this bus. And it's taking it around to all these great sites.
A little bit of American all over here. American just like sprinkled. The body shop in Greece.
Domino's in Greece.
I love the body shop. It's just weird. have to be ready for a little bit of hiking in Rhodes because the best stuff takes a little bit of time to get to.
Some stairs here.
Oh, cool. Okay, let's do the stairs. Yes.
This is amazing. This little fortress here reminds me of, I don't even know, I've never experienced anything like this. It's fantastic.
This is a good spot for me.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for joining us on our little mini tour of Rhodes. We're gonna go and have some of the fantastic lunch here at the Celebrity Infinity. Another thing to check out.
The endless buffet. You can eat ice cream all day if you want. Okay.
See you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.